Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox phone number not working. First, let's cover some initial checks. Make sure your internet connection is strong and stable. Double-check that you've entered your phone number accurately, including the correct country code. Sometimes, the issue isn't on your end, so it's also a good idea to quickly check if Roblox's servers are currently experiencing any widespread outages. Next, let's explore some common solutions. A simple restart of the Roblox application or even your entire device can often resolve temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, try clearing the cache and data for the Roblox app in your device settings. This can fix corrupted files. Also, consider trying to register your phone number using a different device or a different Wi-Fi network if possible. Now, let's look at account-specific and verification issues. First, confirm that your Roblox account's email address is fully verified, as this can sometimes impact phone number functionality. It's also crucial to ensure that the phone number you're trying to use isn't already linked to a different Roblox account. Sometimes, there are just temporary delays, so waiting for 5 to 10 minutes before retrying the verification process can be effective. Finally, if you've tried everything and the issue persists, it's time to contact Roblox support. Before reaching out, gather all relevant information, such as any specific error messages you received and a list of all the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. Then, visit the official Roblox support page and submit a detailed ticket. Remember to be patient and provide any additional information they might request to help resolve your issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.